everybody, my name is Chris. Welcome to Casual Fragrance. If you're first time clicking on my fragrance video, thank you. I really appreciate it. If you like fragrances, fragrance reviews, and free fragrance giveaways, this channel is for you. Hope you consider clicking that red subscribe button anytime there's video to show your support. I really appreciate that. Take it one step further by clicking the bell icon so you're notified about new videos or giveaway videos that go straight to your YouTube feed so you'll never miss a video or giveaway. My top 6 sweet fall fragrances, and what I mean by that is these are fragrances that you can wear in the fall or winter, and they're sweet fragrances. They do have other notes in them too, but these are sweet fragrances that you can wear and you just feel more, uplifting. You feel more sweet, kind of a little bit maybe daring. You feel like, oh, I feel sweet today. Hopefully people will notice me and hopefully get comments. I'm not sure if you are or not. It depends on you, and definitely check these fragrances out on your skin because they may not smell the same. Leave your 6 list down below. You have mine will be different than yours. We know this, so don't worry about the hate, the dislikes. Just if you don't like it, you don't like it. So let's go on with the video. So these are my top 6, and this is just the order I put them in. It's really not an order, but I wear them all the same. Floor, the fragrances from the house of Amouroud Oud, and it's Amouroud Elixir Golden Oud. Now Elixir Golden Oud, this fragrance here goes for about $2.95 for this 100 ml bottle. No, I'm sorry, a 75 ml bottle, and it's $2.95, and it has notes of violet, champagne, heliotrope, agrowoods, patchouli, orris, Carmel, Gaiac wood, Madagascar vanilla. So this fragrance here, distribution good. Oh, you can smell the sweetness and the oud in this fragrance. So it's a mixture of both. So you can wear this one. It's more of a pleasant oud. It's not like that stinky barnyard oud. You can wear this one and people will get whiffs of it and will like it. It's not when it's going to offend people. It's not just oud, 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 and it's that dark, heavy oud. It's not. This is more of a nice calmer oud, and the vanilla and the Gaiac wood. It's a pleasant, sweet fragrance overall. It's not crazy overpowering, but it's really nice. A few times I got well over 2 hours of projection, and it lasts me through the whole workday. I got about 8 hours, maybe 9 or 10, but the longest I've got was 8 hours. Sometimes a little bit more, but the shortest I've got was 8 hours of longevity. Definitely check this fragrance out when it comes out, hopefully next year. I'll leave the website down below whenever they do release it. Just check out Amouroud Golden Elixir. And jump into my number 5. My number 5 on the list. This fragrance here has been out for a long time in the fragrance game. A lot of people know about this fragrance. They made a new release this year. I tried it. It's okay. I'm not sure if we're going to buy it. Anyway, this fragrance here, it goes for $84 for retail. You can get it for like 60, 50 bucks on Fragrance Net around it. This fragrance is from the house of Uomo, and it's Valentino Uomo Intense. So this right here, man, this fragrance is gorgeous. Now it has clary sage, it has Iris Tonka Bean, black leather, vanilla beans. Oh, this one is just gorgeous. I wore this last year during Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. My girlfriend liked it a lot. She I had this fragrance because I don't pull it out as much because I have so many fragrances in general. So when I wear this one, I was like, I'm going to wear a special time for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day at my family. And my loved ones, they definitely like this one, Valentino Uomo Intense. Now, I like it a lot. You can wear it with a leather jacket if you want. You can wear it casual. You can wear it dressed up. Probably more perfectly for dressed up. This bottle presentation is beautiful in general. And it's a great fall and winter fragrance. It makes a lot of fragrance reviewers' lists. Hands down, it's a staple for the fall and winter. It's hard to get now because you got to get it online. So definitely pick yourself up a bottle of this. All right, my number 4 on the list. Okay, my number 4 is a fragrance from the house of Dior. And it's no other than Dior Feve Delicios. This one's hard to read on camera, but it's Feve Delicios. This one here, gorgeous distribution, control it. Oh man, Feve Delicios. Hard to read with my camera, but we'll try to get focused. Feve Delicios. This fragrance is very expensive, very hard to get. It's $220 for a 125 ml bottle. This bottle will last you. You only need like 2-3 sprays, you're good to go. I've getting well over 8 hours of longevity. I got well over 2 to 3 hours of projection. Very nice, no complaints. This has been reformulated. Sadly, I know the old one was really beast mode, but this is still good, and it works on my skin and projects very loudly off my skin. I really have no complaints with it. I think 3 sprays is enough. You don't want to go crazy. It might give you a headache smelling this fragrance in the air, with people around you. Definitely check this one out with the Tonka Bean, vanilla. We have almond, we have caramel, we have milk, we have woody notes. Definitely check out Feve Delicios. There's no other than 1 Million Lucky. So people say they're tired of 1 Million Lucky. It's a great, sweet, gourmand fragrance, you want to call it, as in the designer wise, and it does what it does. People enjoy it. It's a hot seller, and you get a discount now about 60 something bucks or 70 bucks on FragranceNet or Fragrance Buy or MaxAroma.com. I'll leave the links down below. I like this one a lot. It's a staple in my collection, and it's a fragrance that I thought I wouldn't even. I liked it, but I didn't think it would get as much hype that it got the community. I wouldn't have get comments with it, but I got comments with 1 Million Lucky, and people are like, I've never seen that before. It smells good. I like the bottle presentation. I definitely get good 2 hours of projection. I'm getting well over 8 hours of longevity on my skin. Plus, and it's a great fragrance, and people around me enjoy it. I tell people about it, and they eventually pick themselves up a bottle. So check out my number 3, 1 Million Lucky. All right, 2 fragrances left. Okay. So my number 2 fragrance came out this year, 2019. I was really nice enough to get my box signed by the guy. I met him twice, last year and this year, from the house of Kilian. Kilian's an awesome guy. I talked to him, really nice, cool going guy. I told him about my channel. He's like, oh, okay. You know, he said, oh, I know about your channel. I heard about your channel. And I told him about my favorite fragrance was Vodka on the Rocks. He said, oh, that's awesome to hear. I'm gonna hopefully buy that fragrance, hopefully sometime next year, 2020. This fragrance here has notes of almond milk, iris, musk. And this fragrance, it does have some cherry, in my opinion, but some people say they don't get it. Anyway, this is Rolling in Love, 2019 by the House of Kilian. Got my bottle signed, got me and my bottle engraved by them for me and my girlfriend, which is pretty cool, really touching moment for us. So, Kilian Rolling in Love. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Has that almond, has the cherry, has the milky creaminess. It's just a beautiful scent. Some people say they don't like it. Some people say it's a little more feminine than male. I feel like when you spray it on your skin, you're definitely going to get a difference. You're either going to feel more masculine on your skin, and for the females, you feel more feminine. Definitely get your nose on this. Get yourself a sample. Try it out for yourself. Until you get samples of these fragrances out, you can't say you're not going to like it or you believe the hype that it sucks or it's good. You got to get yourself a sample, spray it on your skin, and only you will know if this fragrance is right for you. Definitely check out my number 2, Kilian Rolling in Love. My number 1 on the list here. My number 1 is a fragrance that I tried it out at Perfumology. I talked in there. She was telling me about the fragrance line. I talked to the owner of the line a few times. I reached out to him and said, hey, I would like to try maybe one of your fragrance samples. It was nice to send me the whole sample collection from the line. And it's just, this fragrance is beautiful. It's a great fall and winter fragrance. It doesn't get a lot of hype because I guess it's kind of hard to find. But definitely you can pick up Perfumology. You can get samples too. One is from the house of Manos, and it's no other than Immortal. Immortal is a beautiful fragrance. This is a very sweet fragrance. I love how the presentation is. It's very nice, simple presentation, but very beautiful. It comes in a nice little box and everything. I'll leave a link down below to that video if you guys want to see it. This is beautiful, man. I'll tell you what. Distribution is good. Beautiful, beautiful scent. It has notes of clove, has beautiful cinnamon, has the benzoin, has brown sugar in it. It has sandalwood and patchouli. Brown sugar is just sweet. It's just amazing on my skin. And it's just, I like the sweetness and the brown sugar. Sometimes you want to wear a sweet fragrance. I'm not saying you got to be the guy to have all the sweet fragrances. Maybe you want to wear a sweet fragrance. Maybe you're tired of wearing the freshies and the cleans. And you're tired of the ouds and you're just tired of sandalwood and vetiver. Maybe you want to change it up. Maybe you want sweetness in your life. Get a sweet fragrance. You want to smell sweet around your girl, or you want to get a girl. Definitely. Or if you're a female, you want to be sweet around your man. This is a unisex fragrance. Some of these fragrances I have on my list are unisex. Definitely check this fragrance out here. This fragrance is a beautiful fragrance. It's about I think it's about $135, $140. I'll leave the links down below to all the prices for these fragrances. Definitely check out my number 1. If you're in Philadelphia, definitely check out Near Perfumology. Buy yourself a sample, definitely, or spray it on your skin, see if you like it. If you like a bottle, go buy it there. Hey, check out Perfumology, amazing store. I go there a lot myself, and I'm a regular customer there, and I enjoy buying fragrances there. Either order them or go in there. Fast shipping service, no questions asked. Nero owns the place. If you have a problem, you let him know, he'll take care of it. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is my number 1, Immortal. Top 6 sweet fall fragrances. Now, these are just my 6. What are your 6? Leave a comment down below. If you enjoy this type of fragrance content and you're not subscribed to my channel and you watch video and video and video and video, you're like, should I subscribe? Why not show your love and support this holiday season by clicking that red subscribe button on the bottom of the screen? Take it one step further, click the bell icon to notify upload new fragrance videos or giveaway videos. You'll be first in line, you could win. So thanks for everybody for watching. Hope everybody has a nice, safe holiday season.